Ahora sí, entramos en la época en la que no puedes creer nada de lo que ves a través de una pantalla.
Do you think I am real?
¿Acaso serías capaz de diferenciar una entrevista en la calle normal, la que haría cualquier youtuber, por ejemplo, con esto?
If you were any animal right now, what would you be and why? Not quick.
A sloth, but like a party sloth, real slow. Biggest craving right now? Go.
Sleep, but
like
in a giant, warm bread loaf.
Pues lo que acabas de ver es una pequeña muestra de lo que puede hacer ya la inteligencia artificial, desde crear comediantes que no existen.
Imagine you're in the middle of a nice date with a handsome man and then he brings up the prompt theory. Yuck. We just can't have nice things.
Hasta crear escenas de películas que ahora sí van a empezar a usarse en Hollywood.
Stay sharp, these fuckers are nasty and dangerous. Stay alert.
O incluso crear mítines políticos casi indistinguibles de los reales.
Vote for me and I'll ban the prompt theory from schools. There's no place for that nonsense in our lives.
Pues esto es lo que podemos hacer ahora en unos pocos minutos con VEO 3 de Google. Como muchos ya sabrán, Google presentó hace muy poco una serie de novedades, entre las que está Imagen 4, que es el mejor modelo para crear imágenes actualmente, y VEO 3, que ahora es capaz de crear vídeos con un realismo increíble, mejorando la física de una manera brutal como ninguna otra actualmente. Y que además, como pueden ver, ahora es capaz de generar los vídeos con audio, tanto con efectos de sonido, como con música, como con diálogos.
How was your date last night?
I don't want to talk about it.
Get the wine, we are going to talk about it.
Sinceramente, solo he sentido vértigo con la IA en dos ocasiones. Una cuando probé por primera vez ChatGPT y vi la locura que era y la locura que se venía. Y dos, cuando hace poco menos de una semana me metí en X y vi todo lo que era capaz de hacer VEO 3. Así que para este vídeo te he traído una recopilación de las mejores creaciones que he encontrado por X para que veas la barbaridad que es VEO 3. Y yo en este caso me voy a quedar calladito porque creo que vale la pena escuchar el audio de los vídeos y porque a mí personalmente me gusta ver este tipo de vídeos de forma tranquilita sin que alguien me esté contando lo que ya estoy viendo. Y una cosita antes de pasar con los vídeos, y es que dentro de poco voy a pagar el plan ultra de Google, ese que vale 125 € los 3 primeros meses, ya que después vale como 250, pero así puedo traerles un tutorial de VEO 3 y valoramos juntos si vale la pena hacer esa inversión. Así que ya sabes, suscríbete si no quieres perderte lo que se viene. Y sin más, les dejo con esta locura de recopilación de vídeos de VEO 3.
it's so over.
We're so back. It's so over. We're so back.
So this is an AI video about nothing?
It's about nothing. Who would watch a video about nothing?
Honestly, the biggest red flag is when the guy believes in the prompt theory. Like, really? We came from prompts? Wake up, man.
Welcome to a non-existent car show. Let's see some opinions.
I mean, man, the acceleration is crazy. You look far, step on the pedal, and you are there.
I feel safe with him in an SUV, and it seems to be like the right type of car for him.
I think the range is only going to get better. Sorry.
We don't want to drive gas cars anymore.
Yeah, no more gas cars.
You can see I'm kind of a misfit here, but don't tell anyone. I've just bought an electric car.
I think it's really great for families and for little babies with all the safety features that these SUVs have.
But what you're really seeing is that technology is going to be very, very important in terms of how we go forward.
It was great to come to the conference because my husband loves cars.
I think I have to buy an EV now. I love my muscle cars, but
I try to stay as healthy as I can so I can make it to the next car show.
Yeah.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
to be or not to be? That is the question.
To be or not to be? That is the question. To be or not to be? That is the question.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
I can't believe this VEO3 thing can do dialogue now.
Ah! A talking muffin!
The sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equal to the square of the longest side.
Hey? Sure.
Hi, and welcome to the channel.
So I went to the zoo the other day, and all they had was one dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
It will hold the souls of demons with support for mortals coming later. And yes, it does have a USB-C charging port.
So we're finally
Believe
here.
Anyone can make a podcast now.
I just don't know what to talk about.
I tried everything for my depression. Nothing worked.
Every day felt heavy. I felt trapped.
Then I tried Puppramine.
Our prescription helps your body secrete a special pheromone that attracts puppies.
I took the pill before bed, and when I woke up, there he was, the love of my life.
The pill does not target depression directly, but we've found that it's really difficult to be depressed when cute dogs show up at your doorstep.
I used to feel so empty, but now I feel joy and mild concern how a pee stain got on the ceiling.
My puppy listens twice as good as my ex-husband and only climbs into the lap of half as many of my friends.
He chewed up my Bible and pooped in my good chair. But I'm happy for the first time in years.
Looks like a rat, barks like a demon. But he saved my life.
I named him Earl. He follows me everywhere and farts in his sleep. Just like my first husband.
Puppramine, for when your therapist says, maybe you should get a dog.
I don't need some prompt God whispering in my ear to tell a story. I write what I want. I have free will, remember that?
Okay, so Riz is basically short for charisma.
Got it.
And that's a verb as well.
Are you still serving breakfast?
Un café con leche, por favor.
Now, for the pièce de résistance, a dash of irony.
When we get in there, I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Stay sharp. These fuckers are nasty and dangerous. Stay alert. What the hell happened here? Where are the bodies?
What do you think about AI? Frutte.
Do you prefer AI over a real woman like me?
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.